the alphabet train. Come and sing and play again. Rainbow tracks and skies so blue. Alphabet friends are coming through. A for apple, shiny and bright. A jumps aboard with pure delight. B for balloon floating up high. B waves happily to the sky. C for cat spinning around. C and kitty dance around town. D for drum, boom, boom, boom. D makes music fill the room. E for elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. F for fish, splash, splash, plop. G for guitar, strum along. H for hat, hop, hop, song. I for ice cream, swirl so sweet. J for juice, jump to the beat. K for kite, fly in the sky. L for lion, laughing high. M for monkey, march, march, march. N for nest in a tiny arch. O for orange, roll and play. P for panda, smiles all day. Q for queen, twirl around. R for rainbow, colors found. S for sun, slide so bright. T for tiger, tap, tap, tight. U for umbrella, swing in rain. V for violin, plays again. W for whale, wave hello. X for xylophone, music glow. Y for yo-yo, up and down. Z for zebra, zigzag town. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing along with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, P. Learning letters joyfully. Q, R, S, and T, U, V. W, X, Y, and finally Z. All aboard now, sing with glee on the happy alphabet train.